It only lasted for about 20 seconds, but it had a magnitude of 6.9, and the maximum acceleration was about 0.9 G, which is, kind of crazy to think about for an earthquake. Go. Oh boy. That rumble. Oh man. Oh, the whole building is, oh my God. How short that was and how powerful that was. Boy, earthquakes are no joke.
That's a nice way to observe an earthquake. Like, how else can you observe an earthquake without being subject to that shaking, right? No one has got to experience the Kobe earthquake from just right beside it, but not shaking.
In Kobe earthquake, we recorded very, very large motion, but it's very short. But in 2011 East Japan earthquake, we recorded very, very long duration motion, like five minutes.